Can we start?
Uh, yeah.
Uh, I think we have core LitmusCTL team here, so we can start with LitmusCTL only.
Yeah. So, hi
So,
everyone. Welcome to the contributor call. So, this time, we have created the LFX issues. Hope you have taken a look. So,
yeah,
let me see that.
yeah, like one good news here. So Nagesh was LFX mentee 2 terms back, and now he's a mentor. So congratulations, Nagesh, on that.
Yeah, thanks.
Congrats.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah, and yep. So yeah, we can talk about LitmusCTL updates. So there was one constant issue that few users faced, that was that they were not able to connect the Chaos intra, right? So Nagesh, you raised a PR to fix that one. So
Yep.
like, will that PR fix all the issues? Have you tested it?
Yeah, I have tested it for a recent release and it was working fine. Actually, there were some of the changes introduced in the uh, infrastructure type GraphQL, so it was breaking the Litmus CTL. Yeah.
Okay. So like most of the issues that which were pointed here, so that were all similar only, right?
Yeah, there was one issue which was mentioning the API version, and I don't think so it is related to Litmus CTL, but I'll take a look at that also.
No, I mean the the infra not able to connect issues. So all those were related to this infra type change only, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay. Awesome. And then I guess Deep is working on adding LitmusCTL binaries to Vue and Chocolatey. So
Yeah,
Deep, we can discuss that tomorrow. And if you have any updates,
yeah,
maybe.
yeah. We can discuss that tomorrow in the meeting.
Okay. Yeah, got it.
I have some little bit of confusion. I am not sure about some things. That we will discuss tomorrow.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah,
Maybe I can also drop in the meet. Let me know if
Yeah, sure,
yeah,
Nagesh.
sure,
And
Nagesh.
you should.
also another good thing that we are getting organic contributors in LitmusCTL. So we have Shivam Purohit, who uh,
Yes.
added the environments command, and then we have Karthike, who added the update LitmusCTL command.
Yeah, that one is really good actually.
Yes. Yeah. You guys can also review it when you get time, so we can take it
Yeah,
in
sure.
this.
Yeah,
Yeah,
sure,
it's
sure.
good to get reviews from you guys because you have already worked on that, right? So,
Mm.
Sure.
Yeah, I have guided Shivam a bit when he was facing he texted me on Slack DM, and so I guided him a bit in the start.
Yeah.
Okay.
oh,
Awesome.
And I will also review his PR.
okay.
Yes, that's all about LitmusCTL, Saranya. Mm.
Okay, so on the Chaos Center side, regarding the LFX issues, so this time we have Namkyu as one of our mentors. He's not here in the call, but yeah, he's also one of the mentors this time. And so regarding the issues, one of the issue is adding support for multiple project owners. So we had I guess a few requests from the community to support multiple project owners, and one user can also create multiple projects. So that kind of support was not there. So this is one of the issues of this time. And the other one was support for downloading the logs. So currently, it's a problem we can only get the logs while it's running, the experiment is running. After that, it's not available. So that is for that, uh, the issue is to create the logs API, and we are just deciding upon the architecture how we can store the logs at least for temporary basis, so that it is available for the download. So that is one thing. And other issues were in the last few LFX terms, we like focused more on adding the unit tests. This time we are focusing on adding the E2E test for the both Chaos Center and LitmusCTL. So this will be like, I guess, mentored looked by Sarthak and Vedant. So yeah, that's it from the LFX side. So if you have any other suggestions or improvements, we can add them gradually. And yeah, so other than that, there was one minor issue pointed out by, yeah, so one minor issue pointed out by one of the members from, I don't remember, but regarding the environment GraphQL schema. So there were some type discrepancies. So that is one issue that I have like raised the PR for the fix. So you can take a look. So yeah, that's it from my side. So if you have any problems or any issues that you want to raise, you can go ahead.
Right, on LitmusCTL, we have a couple of issues. So there's one issue that user gets internal system error when they do LitmusCTL, like config set account, right? So that is one thing that every user is facing, and although that is not affecting users, but like users are thinking that like other operations or like something has failed and they will not be able to use it. So
That internal system error, right?
yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, so we can plan on fixing that as well.
Yeah, sure. Is this the error related to that get server GraphQL?
Yes,
Because
that API is not returning the correct details.
yep, I remember in the last time we tried to work on that, and yeah, we couldn't make it work actually.
Okay, if it is, if that's the problem, you can maybe remove that API. I think it's just returning the compatible versions, but
yeah.
right, yeah, we can remove it and we can think of an alternate. So there's another thing. Currently, I don't think that anyone has noticed it, but like this may cause some issues in future as well. So no, I'll share my screen for a second. For a minute. Right. Okay, my screen is visible, right?
Yeah.
So in LitmusCTL, we maintain a compatibility matrix, right? You may be aware of it. So we update that matrix every release. I can show you. PKG totals. Yeah, so this is the compatibility matrix that we maintain. So the key here is the LitmusCTL version and the value is the supported Litmus version, the Chaos Center version basically, right? So now this is not the correct way to fetch the compatibility matrix. So I'll tell you the reason. So, let's say we have LitmusCTL 1.0, right? And with 1.0, like, let's say Litmus was released till 3.1 or Chaos Center was released till 3.1. So, when we release LitmusCTL 1.0.0, so it will have the compatibility like versions of Chaos Centers 3.0 and 3.1 only, right? And now let's say in the next month, we release Litmus 3.2 and LitmusCTL 1.1.0. So now what we will do is, so in LitmusCTL 1. Like we'll update the compatibility matrix and add the 3.2 version to 1.0.0 and 1.1.0 as well, right? So, but when you check the, like when you install the 1.0.0 LitmusCTL, the compatibility matrix there consists only of 3.0 and 3.1, not 3.2. So although 3.2 is compatible with 1.0, but it's not in the code, like it's not in the binary of 1.0.0. Right, so when users will try to install it, Chaos Center 3.2, or like when users will try to use 3.2 with 1.0, they will not be able to use it. Like, did you get the problem or should I explain it once again?
No, I got the problem actually. Okay.
Right, so the correct way to do is we should maintain this matrix in the Chaos Center, like in Chaos Center, right? GraphQL, we can maintain this one and we'll just return the LitmusCTL version there, and based on it, it will return the compatible versions.
Compatibility, right?
Yeah. So we
Makes
should
sense.
do this.
Yeah, sure.
Right. So we can discuss on the implementation of this as well.
Yeah, sure.
And as part of LFX, as Saranya already told, that we have E2E and then the addition of proofs.
Yes. Yeah, sure.
We
Right,
have one more on the like fixing of vulnerabilities. That is, I guess Raj can explain it in more detail. So that will be mentored by Raj and Namkyu. So yeah, and
Yes, I think we have some vulnerabilities, minor and major in this project, which are not being fixed. So I started merging some of the dependent bot PRs, right? So we can scan, we can use some other tools to scan it properly and fix the CVs. So we'll take care of this along with the E2E for Chaos Center. So these two will be part of one issue for the mentee. Yes, Sanna, go ahead.
okay, yeah. Yeah, one more. We were doing the PR use. So Nagesh, you have some open PRs on the operator side, right? Those are very old, I guess.
Yeah, I have two PR opens. First one is for the supporting the taints and toleration, and the second one was the upgrade operator.
Yeah, that too. I guess. Can you like? I guess it requires Shubham
But yeah,
approval, I
yes,
guess.
yes.
So can you like ping him once
Mm,
if he's available? You can like close those
Actually,
PRs
yeah,
whenever.
actually we had discussion, me and Shubham Bhaiya, and we think we have to test a lot of changes for merging them. So we are not going ahead with them for now.
Okay. So any plans for that, or like later we'll be doing it?
Yeah, I guess later. Actually, the issue is with the on which version we should make it like. For example, it is working on 1.21, right? Kubernetes dependencies is 1.21, and we want to understand like on which version we will be able to make it work. 1.24 or 1.25. We have to test a lot of changes actually. We have to test them.
Okay.
I'll
Okay.
I'll
So
I'll make it. I'll check it out once and let you know.
yeah, you can plan on for like maybe this release or for the next release. You can plan that specifically for that particular release. You can test the items and then we can merge it. So
Yeah, sure.
yeah.
Yeah, sure. I'll make it. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, sure. Okay, I guess that's it. Karthik, do you have anything else to share?
None for today, Saranya.
Okay. So I think we can wrap up the call. All right. Thanks everybody. Just stop the recording.